What is good, guys? I am so happy because summer and spring is finally coming in Japan. It's supposed to be 30 degrees Celsius all weekend, which is awesome. My kind of weather coming from Australia. And today is just absolutely beautiful. It's like 27 degrees. It's a perfect day to work on the car. Unfortunately, not a great day to work inside the car, and that's what we're gonna be doing. Let me explain. So this is the head unit that came with the car when I bought it from the auctions, and it was great. It worked fine with my iPhone, you know, it's got a USB port, so you just plug it in. But it started developing an issue in the last month or so where it just kept popping up with check USB, and it didn't matter if you changed to a new iPhone cable or anything, it just kept coming up. And the only way to fix it was you would, you know, disconnect the unit, re-click it back in, and then it would work for 5 seconds and stop working. Sometimes it would work for the whole trip, other times it just wouldn't work at all. So I finally cracked it yesterday and I went, that's it. I need to get a new one. So we're gonna go to Up Garage, we're gonna get another second-hand one. I don't wanna buy a brand new one at this point. See if they've got any nice 2-DIN ones there or something like that. Something with Bluetooth, and then I'll just charge my phone off the cigarette lighter here. But while we're also at Up Garage, we're gonna sell some parts that I don't need, including like these D-Max tie rod ends. I don't need these, and they're only like 6 months old. It's because we replaced them with the new OEM ones on the car the other day for more angle, because these were preventing me from getting maximum angle, as well as a bunch of 33 parts I've got stored in the backyard that I don't need anymore, like the old factory knuckles and stuff like that that I've replaced. So we're gonna do all that. I'm gonna move all these wheels and tires out of my car so I got some space to pile everything in. And we're gonna go to Up Garage, get a new head unit. Let's go. All right, so I got everything packed in the knuckles and top control arms, and I even got like where the caster rods, these things spare, some old rotors and stuff we're gonna take to Up Garage. I guarantee you these are gonna go to Nihon Matsu store and someone's gonna use these for their 33 at Ebisu Circuit, for sure. And then I got the boot and the wing hatch kind of thing in the back there as well, and a few other parts scattered throughout the car. Hopefully, I'm pretty confident actually this will pay for everything for me to get the new head unit and maybe some speakers too. So enough of that. Let's get going. You guys already know I had to stop by Starbucks drive-thru to get a nice ice cold caramel macchiato for today's beautiful sunny weather. So keen. We made it, guys. Let's go inside, get a ticket, sell this stuff, and then see if there's anything cool in there that I can get on top of a new head unit. So just taking a look at all the head units they have for sale here, and the prices are really good, like 60 bucks, 50 bucks, 40 bucks, 70 bucks for some more expensive ones. And I was just looking, and I think probably the one I would go for out of all of these would be the Alpine one, because I love Alpine. In Japan, if you guys don't know, like this brand here, Carrozzeria or whatever, that's actually Pioneer. So that's Pioneer here in Japan. You can kind of see they put the Pioneer logo. If it'll focus, you can see they put the Pioneer logo on there. So that's, for some reason they don't just call them Pioneer here in Japan. But yeah, I'm just going through and seeing if any of these have Bluetooth interface, because I'd really like Bluetooth over just using the USB thing. Okay, so I ended up opting for the brand new unit because at the end of the day, this was only $140, and a second-hand unit was going to be, for what I wanted was, with Bluetooth and everything, was going to be about $70. Came with only 1 week warranty, the second-hand one, and it was last like made in 2010, and the other one they had there was 2012. So I figured $140 for this bad boy, 2019 edition, has USB and Bluetooth, plus has a year of warranty, and then at the end of it all, I get to sell this back to Up Garage and get 20 bucks back anyways. Plus what I sold to them today, I got about $50 for everything that I sold today. Now I definitely feel like I got a little bit raped there, but like I was expecting a lot more. Honestly, I was expecting like at least 100 bucks with the boot lid and the spoiler and stuff. But at the end of the day, I kind of thought about it and I was like, really? I just gave them a whole bunch of stuff that gets like given to junkyards and they can't even get rid of. So I'm pretty happy with the $50 that I got. So with the money that I got back from all those parts I dumped on them, plus the money I'll get back from this head unit when I give it to them, let's just say 15, 20 bucks, it works out to get the brand new unit. I'm getting it for practically the same price as what I would with one of those secondhand ones. I mean, bear in mind that if I got the secondhand one and then we added all that, it would have worked out cheaper as well, but let's not talk about that. Anyways, I'm gonna pull apart the center console and start figuring out what I need to do to get this thing installed. Hopefully they use the same plug-in. I don't have to change wiring looms. That would be sick because it's the same brand and all, but we'll obviously figure that out once we get in there. Pretty much all you're going to need to pull apart everything here in the center console to get your head unit out is a screwdriver. 33s are really easy to pull apart. All you have to do is pull out your ashtray like that, undo the one Phillips head screw there. All right. And I'll do this while the video is playing, just to show you how easy it is. Get your hand in there, pull that screw out. It's a bit awkward because I have ginormous hands. And almost, there we go, it's out, cool. Unscrew your shift knob. Yes, you need to do that to get this piece off. Make sure that's all loose, see that? Nice and loose there, yep. And then you just pretty much pull up, unclick that, and then slide off your boot at the same time. Okay, I need two hands for this, but I'm sure you guys get the gist. I think I might be able, oh, there we go. And then you don't have to unplug this. You can just set that there for now, and that's what I'm gonna do. Leave that off to the side. Then to get this whole piece off, it's only two screws. One screw there, one screw there, and then it all clicks off as well. Be very careful and gentle though, because yeah, you don't want to break this whole piece. It's all connected to this big thing over here. So I'm going to undo all of that, get in there to where the head unit is, and we'll go from there. And just like that, everything is apart. And this is what I mean. This plug should technically be the same, is it? It looks like, oh my God, it is. It's identical. Lads, I don't have to install this, although I can if I need to. But what I've actually found that's really cool is they didn't cut and splice the original loom, mainly because it seems like they had like a little kit that came with it that allows them to plug into the factory loom and adapt it to whatever head unit they want. I think that's freaking awesome. That's great. So yeah, saved me there a little bit. But then I was looking at, like, there's a Y here for a, oh, okay. We'll get rid of that. I guess that used to be for a CD stacker in the back, and this used to be for the old antenna, I guess. And then what is all of this here? Oh boy, what am I discovering, guys? Why am I only discovering? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, what is this? Oh man, what did I just find? Sam does not like finding lots of wires like this everywhere. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna put that in there and pretend I never saw that. Previous owner issues, I guess. Yeah, we'll just leave that there. I don't think I've ever had the head unit out in this car. There's some. What the hell is going on here? Yep. You know what? I'm just gonna replace the head unit and not even question any of that stuff. Damn it! I wish I had something that I could adapt from that to the new type of head unit plug. See, because I don't have one of these. Okay, well anyways, I'm going to take the old head unit out. It's just 4 screws, 2 screws here, 2 screws there, and switch in the new one, which is down there already. And then we should be ready to party. I'm so happy I don't have to change plugs. That's like the best thing ever. All right, let's go. Okay, we're nearly done. Last thing to install is the ashtray. We're done. Beautiful. Everything's all back together. Looks the same, except we got a newer head unit there now. The best thing is we got beats. Come on. Way too pumped. And the best thing is obviously Bluetooth right now. And then even if I do want to use the iPhone cable, I can. Plugs in right here. And same thing. You've also got some cool app features and things like that. Like it's playing again through this. So you got your music. I can make calls as well. Hit this and go through and look at my missed calls, dialed calls, and I can call May. It's got like a mic and everything here, so that's kind of cool. Helps me having to not touch my phone more while driving. And I'm actually interested, if I'm live streaming and this is plugged into the head unit, will it use this mic? Because that would be kind of cool, right? It'd be a better audio quality if I'm streaming while driving. Not that I do that or anything like that, but yeah, anyways. Yeah, so yeah, head unit is installed. Easy as piss, like literally was super easy to do because same brand head unit, so I didn't have to rewire anything. Very happy about that. And now I've got the old one in the box, and we'll take that back to Up Garage later on and sell it. So since I finished working on the car, I started a live stream on the main channel. And in case you guys don't know, this is actually going to be the last time I stream on the main channel. So if you haven't gone and subscribed to the new live streaming only channel called SAMMIT Live, link is in the description. Hit that and subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscriptions so that we can unlock everything for the channel, like super chats and things like that, to get everything back to normal how I have been streaming. So yeah, I'm really excited about the stream only channel because then I can keep up with doing streams every second day, as well as it's not going to affect the algorithm. Live streaming on YouTube is not a problem, except if you're a daily uploader. If you're uploading daily, it doesn't know what to recommend, your normal video or your live stream. So that's where I'm struggling. But check out how lively chat is. Just look at everyone spamming everything and just asking questions, and I'm loving the Crab Rev crabs as well. But what's really awesome is this stream actually, we fundraised enough money to pay for my mum's speeding fine because she messaged me in the middle of the stream that she got a speeding fine on her way home today. We paid for her fine, and then we also made a whole new sticker, the Slippery Sam sticker, which is now live on the SAMMIT online store, sammit.net/shop. Get yourself one. If you weren't in the stream and you don't know the story, I'm sure just people will talk about it in chat and explain it. But anyways, definitely make sure you don't miss out on the live streams on the new SAMMIT Live YouTube channel. So pro YouTuber here completely forgot to film an outro for yesterday's video, editing it today, and was like, oof. So thanks heaps for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, subscribe to the new SAMMIT Live channel. Link is in the description, and I'll catch you on the next one. Jamatane.